Are tech giants accountable for social media addiction? Are they fueling a mental crisis among the youth? A US court trial beginning this week can potentially provide answers to many such questions. As big tech firms are in the dock, let's just tell you more about what's happening. A 19-year-old woman from California filed a lawsuit against the tech giants Meta, TikTok, YouTube. She claimed to have been addicted to these companies' platforms at a young age because of their attention-grabbing design, quote-unquote. The petitioner is reportedly seeking to hold these companies accountable as she has blamed them for fueling her depression and suicidal thoughts. Incidentally, Snap and TikTok have reached an out-of-court settlement with the petitioner. Data privacy experts perceive this as the reluctance of these companies to publicly disclose certain information, and this also puts pressure on Meta and YouTube, which will face trial.
Well, I think it puts a lot of pressure on them because the allegations are the same against all of the tech companies. And so the consequence is that if Meta loses this battle, then there will be lawsuits into the future by other plaintiffs against other tech companies, and they will use this as a precedent.
Now, at present, a federal U.S. law exempts platforms from legal liability for the material that their users post. However, a verdict against the social media companies is likely to change the jurisprudence. Meta, which has 6.7 billion users globally, is likely to argue that its products did not lead to the petitioner's mental health challenges reportedly. And the Meta CEO is himself likely to take the witness stand during the trial. Countries around the world, as of now, are scrambling to tackle digital addiction among the youth. For instance, nearly 40% of global education systems have varying levels of bans and restrictions on the usage of cell phones in schools. And some of the prominent countries to ban cell phone usage, including France, Italy, the Netherlands, Sweden, Brazil, South Korea. Australia went even further by banning those aged below 16 from using major social media platforms, including Facebook and YouTube. India also has acknowledged the severity of the situation. In its economic survey released earlier, the government of India identified digital addiction as a significant concern. It hinted at the possibility of framing policies to mandate age-based access to social media platforms. The government reportedly expressed the view that tech giants should be tasked to enforce age verification, particularly for social media, gambling apps, as well as targeted advertising. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.